right, we have some breaking news coming in. BJP MP Sunil Kumar Singh's private member bill has been listed for UCC discussion. It demands the implementation of the UCC, keeping intact the traditional beliefs and customs of tribal communities, guaranteed and safeguarded by the Constitution.
सुनील जी, आप एक रेजोल्यूशन मूव कर रहे हैं प्राइवेट मेंबर्स लोकसभा में आज, क्या जरूरत है उसकी, क्योंकि सरकार और लॉ कमीशन ऑलरेडी यूसीसी को लेकर आगे बढ़ रहा है, तो ये किस तरह का प्राइवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्यूशन है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं।
ये रेजोल्यूशन आपको भी ध्यान में होगा कि आपने खुद भी कहा है कि देश में ये चर्चा चल रही है, तो ऐसे समय में पार्लियामेंट का प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल या रेजोल्यूशन एक प्लेटफॉर्म होता है संवाद का, सहमति का, जिसके माध्यम से हम चर्चा करते हैं। तो उसी दृष्टि से मैंने यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड लाने के लिए देश में, जो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अनुच्छेद 44 में उल्लेखित है कि स्टेट इसका प्रयास करेगा, तो उसी दिशा में हमने एक पहल की है कि भारतीय समाज में एक रूपता लाने के दृष्टि से एक कॉमन सिविल कोड बनाया जाना चाहिए।
We're crossing over CNN News 18's Arnima, who's with us to tell us more about this. Arnima, over to you.
So you've heard the MP himself as to why he thought that a private member's resolution should be brought in. Just to give you a perspective as to what a private member's resolution is, a private member resolution or a bill, in fact, is a chance for the members of Parliament who may not be part of government to express what they think must be legislated upon. BJP MPs in the past also, in previous sessions also, have tried to bring a uniform civil code related private member resolution. But this time around it's more interesting because the Prime Minister has spoken about this, and it is an issue to which BJP is committed. It's mentioned in the manifesto. The point to be noted here is also what Mr. Singh is saying in his private member resolution. He's saying tribals must be kept out of the purview of this particular legislation. I'm just reading out. He says this House urges upon the government to bring forward a suitable legislation to implement UCC throughout the country, keeping intact the traditional beliefs and customs of tribal communities guaranteed under the Constitution. 6th schedule does give protection to the tribals, but then the Muslims, the Sikhs, the Christians, those who are opposing UCC within these communities are saying that we have protection under the Constitution.
All right, Arnima,
as well.
I'm so sorry to interrupt you. There's some breaking news that's